The HiBoost Plus series are precision-engineered cell phone boosters built to carrier-grade specifications. Its newly featured indoor antenna system allows users to customize their signal booster setup with up to 2 different antennas. Users can either simplify their installation by only using the powerful built-in antenna, or they can extend their coverage area using these different combinations of antennas. To maximize performance and durability, HiBoost has engineered a unique aluminum alloy chassis and effect a giant heatsink, allowing the booster to work continually at maximum power while protecting the booster's sensitive electronic components from excessive heating. The front of the booster is equipped with LED indicators and an LCD display that allows you to see real-time signal readings. The left column displays all the frequency bands that different carriers operate on. The right column displays the power output level in decibel milliwatts, and the middle 2 columns display the uplink and downlink gain in decibels. Included in each Plus Series kit are the following: a user manual, the booster unit, .200 low-loss coaxial cable, a powerful 9 dBi gain directional antenna that can reach towers up to 9 miles away, booster mounting hardware, outdoor antenna bracket, and power supply. To begin the installation, download the Signal Supervisor app from Google Play or the App Store and create a new account. You may use the quick installation guide found in the Signal Supervisor app to guide you through the installation process, step by step. On the Signal Supervisor app, go to the My Device tab and select Add Device. Follow the prompts on the app to register the booster. Connect the outdoor antenna to the booster. Make sure that the connections are tightened firmly. From the roof of your building, find the best location for the outdoor antenna. Make a complete 360-degree scan of the horizon. Use the power meter tool on the app to locate the strongest signal. Slowly pan the antenna back and forth until you see the power levels peak. Fix the antenna in place and connect it to the booster using the coaxial cable provided in the kit. You can extend the coverage of your Plus booster's internal antenna with our slimline wall mount antenna kit. Mount all cables to the booster and make sure the power is on. Using the app, test the signal values again to make sure that the system is operating properly. If you have any trouble installing your booster, please call our customer support team.